Various Filipino textile products are on display at the SMX Convention Center in Pasay City. The event is the 4-day Hibla ng Lahi. The details of this report from Bianca Piedad.
Besides farming, weaving is one of the primary sources of livelihood of our countrymen, particularly those who are in the remotest parts of our country. Because of this, a number of textile galleries are being mounted to recognize the importance of weaving to our national heritage. These exhibits are also meant to open up new opportunities for our countrymen and to instill in them one of the crafts that define our cultural identity as Filipinos. Helen, one of the Balaan tribe from Sarangani province, is just one of those who are yearning to perpetuate the art of weaving back in her place. According to her, they are thrilled to be part of several textile galleries, such as this, that feature their works of art to persuade local and foreign tourists in patronizing their products.
Ang ginagawa namin sa organization is bigyan ng honorarium yung mga weaver, yung mga gumagawa, then yung association na ang nagbibenta para rin maibalik yung mga gastos at saka materialis at hindi malugi yung association para mabuhay po.
She adds that because of this shows, a rich tradition of weaving in the countryside is stirring up renewed interest and is getting the attention it really deserves.
So sa amin doon sa Sarangani province, kailangan namin na maituro sa aming mga kabataan para sa ganun yung mga matatanda malipat yung mga kaalaman nila.
This motivated the Senate Committee on Cultural Communities to intensify its campaign to improve our cultural tourism through information drive on our indigenous traditional arts and handicrafts.
Ang pagpalaganap ng kanilang kagalingan at kagandahan ng kanilang arts and crafts ay tulong sa kanilang kabuhayan. I think we are promoting rural livelihoods by promoting the arts and crafts of our indigenous people.
They also vowed to open the doors of Hibla Pavilion and Hibla ng Lahing Pilipino to the weaving communities and schools of living traditions or SLTs. A few of those in display at the Hibla Pavilion are the ornate fabrics of the Ivatans of Batanes, Garangs of the Mountain Province, Mangyans of Oriental Mindoro, and the Tibulis of South Cotabato. For People's Television, Bianca Piedad.